I look crazy, don't judge me. It is January 2nd? I think so, yeah, January 2nd. And I have to get ready. Do you guys like my little tool? It's how I clean up my eyebrows on the top. I love this little thing. I don't know what this is, but I got this at, I think I got this at like Walmart or something. I don't know, it works really well. My kids are like stomping like they're monsters. I still haven't picked up my giveaway winners, which I feel terrible about. This is the longest I've ever gone without picking out any of my winners yet. Normally I'm really good at it and I try to do it really quickly. Y'all, I just couldn't get out of the couch. Like I was just like, nope, this is not happening today. The Christmas giveaway will be picked out today. Winners will be announced and put in the description box of that video once the winners have been announced. And then I still have another giveaway going on right now. I'm doing a mystery box giveaway in my PR unboxing. So if you guys haven't seen that, I definitely would recommend that you see that one. Oh, hi, Jason.
Mommy,
what's up?
Yeah,
you need, did you brush your teeth yet?
But Eva asked me, have you did homework? And I'm like, no.
You need to brush your teeth and then you can start on your homework. I have to be there when you start your homework. Let's go ahead and discuss the elephant in the room. I failed Vlogmas. Terribly. Not even like, you know, like, you did a really good job. Next year you'll do better. Yeah. I failed big time. And I think it's funny. You know, my life isn't as interesting. I know that these people purposely do stuff so that their vlogs are like really fun, like they go places and stuff, and that's great. But like during the holidays, I ain't got all that extra money to be spending to go do extra stuff. Like I have so many gifts to buy and stuff, so you guys get a dose of the real me and like how life really is with me, and it's just not that exciting. My plan is to still vlog. I enjoyed it. My husband really likes it. I like it because it also gives me a way to document the kids as they grow up. Definitely gonna still do a vlogging. That's something I'm going to incorporate this year into my channel, as well as like more home stuff and like DIY stuff that I plan to do this year. Like we're doing a bunch of landscaping this year and finishing our house. My plan is to still vlog. I think that'll be coming up here with this video. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an update on my kitchen so you guys can see what's going on, because we drywalled this weekend because Jeremy thought that while I was sick, it was such a great idea to finish up the drywall on our bar. Moron. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, otherwise it'll never get done. And then I will come back in a little bit. Now, oh, my hair. All right, I really wanna let my hair air dry. My plan today is actually to let it air dry. I'm gonna see if I can make it work, y'all. So I've been using this stuff, which is the Kenra Platinum Leave-In Conditioner. It looks like this. So this is the one. You guys know I'm super obsessed with the Thermal Spray by Kenra. This one, I'm not a fan of. First of all, the spray bottle sucks. Like, you normally should be able to spray it right into your hair and it should provide like a nice fine spritz. But this one just like squirts into the hand and I don't know, it's a pain in the butt to work with. And also you can't use a lot of it because it'll make your hair really greasy. And the fragrance, while I like it, I noticed that like Jeremy was like, it's really strong. So if you have a sensitive nose, I definitely would not recommend it. It's not my favorite product from Kenra. That's the worst part. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this right here, which is the Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel from IGK. So I'm gonna get my hands nice and goopy. And I'm just going to kind of put it in my hair and separate it. So that is on. Let's see how this works. Let air dry for optimal separation and hydration. A la your favorite supermodel. If I don't turn out looking like this chick right here, IGK and I are gonna have a serious chat. So, since we are still working on the kitchen, I'd give you guys a quick house tour since it's been a while. You guys have been asking for the house tour. I'll give you guys the house tour. Disclaimer, please keep in mind, my house is a mess and it's not up to par. So this is our living room. I'll zoom out a little bit so you guys can see, and nothing's really been done here. Right now, we have these parquet floors, which will be ripped up in the spring. I know that they just redid them because there was carpeting in here, but I really hate them. There's Flower. Say hi, Flowey. He's in trouble right now because he tried to chew my tree, so he's in timeout. Here is where we spent all of our money. This is the kitchen. This used to be a wall, and I'll show you guys and insert a picture, but this was a wall and there was nothing. So my dad, my brother, Jeremy tore out that entire kitchen and we did this all in 3 days. It was impressive. Like, I couldn't believe that they did this. This was the smallest kitchen of all the houses we looked at. And the reason we still went with this house was because it was the one house that needed the least amount of maintenance. You guys can still see that brown thing. We completely forgot that that was there. I knew I wanted a farmhouse kitchen. That was like the one thing I knew I wanted. This is not my inspiration. I found something on Pinterest. I loved it, and I tried to find everything I could to make it look almost exactly like it to the T, just under my budget. Jeremy just finished installing and drywalling the lamp here, which is my favorite piece right here. This door, I don't know. We're gonna do a double, I think, do they call it a double Dutch door or a barn door, where half of it comes out and only the other half stays in. That is my plan with this. And then what my plan is to do shutters here, and then there actually will be a little deck on the outside, and I'm gonna put bar stools out there, and that way I can open it and kind of serve from there. I don't know, I thought it was a really cute idea. So these doors are all original. I ended up painting this door, the basement door, and then this pantry door on the side. I'm gonna eventually put in an interior door right there that will actually have glass so you can see into the basement. It was just something I saw on Pinterest and I loved it. So that is what I'm eyeing right now, is I'm looking at doors. We toyed with this idea of doing just a bar with no hole in it, or leaving this in. Still a work in progress, but I like it so far. Eventually, the plan is to put shelving down there in the corner so I can put my cookbooks there. Haven't decided what I'm gonna do here. If you guys have any ideas, I have an open nook there and an open nook there. So that's our kitchen. So this here is the entry to the hallway. My mom and I worked on this over like a couple hours one day. I actually found these shutters at Michael's for like $7. It was like 70% off. So I bought all that I could find, and we kind of just played around with some things. My mom was like, you need pictures in your house. Jeremy, about a month ago, just put in all of this flooring here. And then right now, the kids' rooms have that nasty wood floor, but here in the summer, I think, we're going to actually put carpeting in just the bedrooms, because I love carpet in bedrooms. I don't like carpet in the house, but in the bedrooms, I feel like it's so much easier to work with. All right, so here is Eva's room. Like I said, it's a mess. I apologize, but this is the best I can get from an 8-year-old to clean her room. So here is Jason's room. And his isn't as cute as Eva's. I am looking right now for a Ford Mustang portrait to put up here, because Jason is obsessed with vehicles, just like his dad. And then his little Lego building set right here. I mean, he's got so many Legos. He's got Legos in there, he's got Legos in there, he's got Legos underneath there, here. And then under his bed, he's got containers and containers of Legos. So we're trying to figure out a way to sort everything, but I need to find more shelving. I got him one Alexa drawer. He filled that up instantly. So I'm gonna get him another one, and then I'm gonna change out his desk too. And then last but not least, my disgusting room. Like I said, this is the most bare room because I have spent all my money on everywhere else that I really wanted to figure out before I invest any money into here what kind of a theme I wanted. So we're gonna wait to do everything in our room, because I feel like this is kind of like the last of the last. Like, I don't really care about my room. I care more about, you know, what people are gonna see and stuff. So that is the hallway. So my camera decided to overheat and I had to wait for it to finish. So I just finished filming my best of drugstore beauty. Sorry, that's my son. So now we're just gonna hang out at home. I'm sorry that I was so terrible at Vlogmas this month for December, but I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough and the tour of the house. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
So anyways, I will see you guys all in my next video, and